Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then you need to share your trading view ID so that my mechanism indicator will be provided to you. I am giving free of cost, so don't miss it. Your trading view ID will be visible on the top left corner. It's not mail ID, it's trading view ID. Okay. So with the help of that, you can able to understand the mechanism of options, the two basics. Okay. Once you are satisfied, then you think of my premium services. Okay, let's go into the video. Last week, what and all I have given with the help of Google Map. What is the use of Google Map? How we have decoded exactly. Okay, now the word exactly will be used in my channel because this was given on last Monday at 9:47, given that one side move from now with caution symbol. This was given to the community members, all community members. Community in the sense it's not a user. Community is a free service. So this was given at 9:47 Monday. Okay. So 9:47 Monday, what happened? Whether one side move happened. So this is the one side move of 9:47 candle. Exactly, that candle made a doji type of a candle, and from there it was trending. Okay, now I have shared just a 10:30 till 10:30, but it was trended a whole day. So people are expecting sideways on that day, but market was trending as per Google Map. So this was done on Monday. In community, there were only a few people were active. So what I did is I didn't share views or something to community on Tuesday. Tuesday I was in break for community people. Since they are less active, I was not able to update Tuesday. So what I did is I updated to my premium members with the timestamp. I'll tell you what I have updated. We have updated one important thing. Okay, na? Again, I'm saying I will be showing that on next week because that is still active. Okay, na? One thing is still active, it is going on. So once that is done, I will be showing in these things in YouTube with a timestamp. Okay, na? So that is in active. So that is only for shared only for premium members. So that is the reason. Regarding community, I mean community message, free messages which I am sharing to community people. I was one thing I want to share with you guys. What is the thing is be active. Okay, now I'm not charging anything in community. For community, I'm not charging anything, and already I have shared free things. Already I have shared free things. Okay, now you have to utilize that. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Rather than thinking of yourself, you can ask me. Why I am saying this is doubt is possible. I will not say doubt is not possible, but mistake is also possible. But same mistake should not be repeated. Okay, now. So this was the message given to the community people that one news, one Trump event news is possible. That too, where that news can come out. If that is coming out, how the market will react? It will be a negative side. Already I have said, but negative where the move will start. That is the $1,000,000 question. So that can be found out using a GMAP. So regarding GMAP, I am getting some personal messages also. First thing I want to share one thing. What is the thing is just to be clear what is strategy and what is mechanism. If you are with strategy, you have to keep on changing the strategy. But if you know the mechanism, you will not change it because that is mechanism. Okay, clear now? Again, I'll explain in detail. So this was the message given for user. What is the messages? This is the sandwich pattern. Okay, now left side, right side, red candle, center green candle. That means sandwich. It's like a sandwich burger. Okay, now. So this pattern is a bearish pattern. If center is red candle and both the end are green candle, then it is a bullish sandwich. This pattern is possible on some areas. Okay, now some zone. So that zone I know well in advance. So how to utilize that? How to make money with that? So this was the concept of a sandwich pattern. Okay, so this pattern what I gave us around 6:30 a.m. Okay, now around 6:30 a.m. on Thursday. I have given that. Sorry, it's not yeah, Thursday only. I have given that exactly what I have given us. This sandwich pattern will come around the zone of, I will show you with the timing. Why I am saying this is, this message I have posted in community. First thing I have posted in community. Why I have posted is, as per SEBI rules, we should not share entry, exit, stop loss, nothing we should not share. Okay, now, so in order to overcome that, if something, if I am giving a knowledge, and with the help of that if I am saying the zone, then it is easy for people to make use of it na. So that is the reason I have shared this pattern. This pattern is not valid, or you should not be taking anywhere else. This pattern will work only in certain area. Okay na. So that is the mechanism. How to find these type of mechanism, how market is going up, how market is coming down, why market is short covering is happening, why market long wind off is happening. For everything there is a reason. It's not about leading, sorry, it's not about lagging. Okay, now if you are following lagging indicator, then you might be facing those things. I'm not talking about lagging. We need to be in a leading manner. Leading in the sense, we need to initiator, we have to be an initiator. For that purpose only I am sharing these things, how to handle the market in perfect way. Okay, now how to make a weekly income, how to make monthly income, how to make quarterly income. Once these things are aligned, and if you are able to make it, then daily profit is also possible. It's not that daily profit is not possible, but what majority people will be doing now, daily they will be making small profit, and one day they will lose everything. One day they will lose everything. So this is what people will be doing, but that is not trading. We need to make small profit, and we need to make small losses. Once if we are able to make a big loss, then we are not fit for trading. Okay, so make it simple. So this is what happened. So this is the message I have shared regarding sandwich pattern on Thursday. Kindly cross verify. At around 6:30 I have shared that nifty mark a zone at 770 and 780, just 10 points, not even 20 points, 10 points. And I have mentioned that only this sandwich pattern, once it forms, take an action. Till that, be ideal. Okay na. So this was the message given, and market was a sideways. This was the zone, exactly this was on this zone drawn before market, not after market. It was drawn before market opening itself. Okay, now 6:30 itself we have shared. This is not like a supply demand zone, nothing else. Okay, now don't scratch your head and try to do, because this is from our gmap. So these are something unique, and it will be very powerful. Okay, so first what happened is, we need a sandwich pattern. Can you see a red candle followed by a green candle followed by a red candle? So this is the sandwich pattern. Okay, so once this sandwich pattern, we need to go entry, and above the candle is our stop loss. So if our stop loss is cleared, we are getting almost 1:5. Simple. This is what risk reward management. Simple na, very simple na. This is possible with me. Okay na, I can able to provide this perfectly. Again I'm saying perfectly I can able to share these things. So in order to utilize these things, you need to join my community, which is free service. It's not a paid service, it's a free service. Okay guys, so this is how risk management has to be happen. If stop loss is triggered, no worries. Why? Because we are risking only small, and we are taking a profit of something big. Always remember guys, our stop loss, if it is too less, then no need to worry about anything. We will be accumulating our wealth, accumulating our profit. If you feel that, oh no, I will not give losses to this market, then you will face the mother of losses. So just don't do some kind of wrong thing with the market, because market can take your money like anything if you are not disciplined. Okay, so that alone follow with strictly. Okay guys, next what I did, I want to show you now. That also I will be showing you exact Thursday expiry what we have shared at 2:57. Let me show that. Last Thursday expiry, this was I was giving only things you need to believe you can do it. Okay, always remember you can able to do these things also. Okay, fine. What I have shared is via community that around 2:57 put option can blast. This was my only message. Put option can blast around 250. Can you see this? Put option is possible. So what happened is exactly call option from 17 rupees it went to zero. Put option there were a decay. Decay in the sense option price of 10 rupee option came to 7 rupees and then it spiked almost 70 percentage. You can cross verify with your chart also. So this was the indication as per nifty I have given here exactly. Can you see here? So this is where I have given the timing. This was the timing that put option. So market was came down like anything. Okay now, so last 50, I mean last 30 minutes 50 points market came. So 50 point in nifty, that too at last 15 to 30 minutes is something unique in the sense people will mostly there will be a sideways kind of a thing, but this is something unique, so that's the reason I have updated. Okay guys, so okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much. Hope you are able to get motivation towards knowledge rather than money. Okay guys, thank you so much.